What's up, addicts? It's Jamie, and I'm bringing you a special workout today. For the first time ever, I'm collaborating with another YouTuber. Her name is Kira Pro. Maybe you're already a subscriber to her channel. So this is a sweating through the decades, and I'm gonna give you the earlier decades all the way through the 80s, and then she's gonna take it from there and do 90s to now. So you wanna make sure that after you finish this 20-minute workout that you head over to her channel and get the rest of it as well. While you're on there, give her some love, subscribe to her channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel too while you're at it. We're gonna start with a little 50s vibe done studio style.
Like, baby.
She vomit to the east, she vomit to the west, she vomit to the east, she vomit to the west, she vomit to the east.
I need all my bad sweats to get on the dance floor right now. Yeah, come on.
Twerk it out right there. Hold it.
She touch her toes with it. Yeah. She caught the wild with it. She at the guy with it.
Last one, single, double.
She on the wall, doing the wild dance. I told her bend it over, now she on the handstands. I'ma sit down, go ahead and make your booty pop.
Get ready to drop it.
My baby, go and make your hips rock. She got the booty shorts on, so I'ma get behind it. Put your hands in the air, and I want you to wind it. Now go ahead and make your booty drop. Little Richie,
from
baby,
the
go ahead
top.
and make your body rock.
She vomit to the east, she vomit to the west, she vomit to the east, she vomit to the west, she vomit to the east, she vomit to the west.
Single, double.
Shawty made a booty clap.
Little twist there.
The way she popping on a nigga, she might catch a charge. Right cheek, left cheek, you a fool with it. Bring it over here, I know what to do with it. So she bent over, 3-point stand. I got behind her and hit her with that wham-wham.
Get
she
down.
looked back at me like goddamn.
3,
Welcome to
2,
Big Rock.
1.
You call me Bam Bam.
She vomit to the east, she vomit to the west, she vomit to the east, she vomit to the west, she vomit to the east, she vomit to the west.
All right, take a breath.
Let it go, let it go.
Little hand drive.
Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go.
High knees, up.
DJ's got him.
To the back.
Mr. Hanky got him. She on the floor going.
Hammer, hammer, up, down.
She on the floor going. She on the wall going.
From the top.
To the east, she vomit to the west,
She make it.
to the east, she vomit to the west,
She make it.
to the east, she vomit to the west.
She make it. She make it. She make it. East Coast going. West Coast going. Up north going. Down south going.
Now you know it. Get it.
Flat booty going. Flat girls going.
High knees.
Girls going. Big girls going. Skinny girls going. Short girls going. Tall girls going.
Little hand drive. We're gonna do that hammer turn. Up.
Right here, right?
One more.
Larry Richard, you a fool for this one.
That's tough. Good job. I'm gonna take it down just a
I
little.
couldn't dance. You didn't even want me around.
Sad.
And now I'm back to let you know I can really shake them down.
Let's get.
Do you love me? I can really move. Do you love me? I'm in the groove. Do you love me? Do you love me?
Take it on down.
All that I can dance. Watch me now. Walk it out, baby.
2 knees, you got it.
Well, you driving me
take it back down. A little twerk action. Yeah. Push it back up. Up, up.
Watch me now.
Shake it up, shake it. Shake it down. Soul now.
Clap. Same thing, other side, go. Mashed potato.
Mashed potato. Do the twist. Well, now tell me, baby. Tell me, baby. Do you like it like this? Do you like it like this? Tell me.
3 back. 3, 2, 1.
Do you love me? 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 Do you love me?
You gotta get real quiet. All the way up. Clap. Ow! Good job. All right, we're gonna take it into the 70s now, okay?
You know,
We did a little 50s, little
Every now and then.
60s. Now we're doing a
think you
little
might like to do
70s.
something from us.
This is kind of the anthem at the studio.
There's just one thing.
Listen what she says.
You see, we never, ever do nothing nice, easy. We always do it nice and rough. But we're gonna take the beginning of this song and do it easy. But then we're gonna do the finish rough. It's the way we do. Proud Mary. And we're rolling.
Just take a breath because it's gonna get crazy later.
Listen to the story.
Squat and lift.
Left a good job in the city,
Make sure you have a little booty pop at the top.
working for
Getting
the
low.
man every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleeping, worried about the way that things might
That
have
big wheel
been.
keeps on turning.
Big wheel keep on turning. Proud Mary keep on burning. And we're rolling, rolling, yeah. Rolling on the river.
Make sure you move those hips.
Cleaned a lot of plates in Memphis. Pumped a lot of change down in New Orleans. But I never saw the good side of the city.
Me and my sister used to dance to this song when we were little. It's always been a favorite.
Big wheel keep on turning. Proud Mary keep on burning. And we're rolling, rolling, yeah. Rolling on a river.
One more time.
Say we're rolling,
Have you caught your breath yet?
rolling, yeah. Rolling on
I
a
hope so.
river. The river.
This is where you just go crazy.
I left a good job in the city, working for the man every night and day. And I never lost a minute sleeping, worrying about the way things might have been. Big wheel keep on turning, proud Mary keep on burning. Rolling, rolling.
It's like you're a ballet dancer on stage with Tina.
Rolling, rolling on a river.
New move. Hup. Strike that pose. the top.
I cleaned a lot of plates in Memphis, and I pumped a lot of tang down in New Orleans. But I never saw the good side of a city till I hit the ride.
Get ready. Ha!
Big wheel keep on turning, brown berry keep on burning, and we're rolling, so we're rolling on the river. I tell you we're rolling on the
We're gonna add a little cardio here. Strike out pose. Make sure you're smiling.
If you come down to the river, I bet you're gonna find some people who live. And you don't have to worry if you got no money. People on the river are happy to give. Big wheel keep on turning, brown berry keep on burning, and we're rolling, and we're rolling, and we're rolling on the river. Tell me one more time, rolling, yeah, rolling, all right, rolling on the river, yeah.
See if you can get that little hop in there. You're almost done. You can do it. Last time, big finish. Woo! That one was high cardio. We're gonna keep our heart rates up really high, and then I promise I'm gonna take you back down before you head on over to Kira's channel for the rest of the workout. All right, here we go. We're gonna squat right here. Squat, jump, ski. Again.
Shoot 'em down, turn around, come on, Moni. Hey, she give me love and I feel alright now. You gotta toss and
Kick it out, you got it.
feel alright, and feel
We're gonna shuffle.
alright. I say yeah,
Touch the floor.
yeah,
Hup.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's ride that
You
pony.
make me feel so good, so good, so good.
Turn it out.
So fine, so fine, it's alright. Well, I feel
Shuffle. Here we go.
yeah, 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 yeah.
From the top. How you doing? Let's go. Hup.
Well, you get shaking, moaning,
Squat it.
moaning.
Ski.
Shotgun dead and I'll come on, moaning.
Make it fun.
Don't stop cooking, I feel alright now. Hey,
Kick it.
don't stop now, come on, moaning, come on.
Shuffle.
I say yeah, 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 yeah. God, you make me feel so good, so good. Well, I feel alright.
Turn it out.
You're so fine, you're so fine, you're so fine, and I feel alright.
Shuffle.
Yeah,
Jump.
yeah, yeah.
We get a little breather. All right. Let's do some jacks. 2 knees. Yeah. Keep this going. Let the music move you. Let it carry you through. Yes. We're gonna take it to a side kick. We got this. 2 jacks. Left. Finish strong. Last one, shuffle. on. Almost there. 4, 3, 2, shuffle. You made it. You got this. We're going to the top. If you need to take a breath, take a break. Now's your chance to do it.
Wake it, shake it, moan it, moan it.
You know this now.
Up, up, down,
Own
turn
it.
around, come on, moan it.
Once you get it, then you get it.
Hey, she give me love and I feel alright now. I said don't stop now, come on, moan it, come on, moan.
Shuffle.
I said yeah,
Jump.
yeah, cause you make me feel so good, so good.
Turn it. Get your hips there too. Shuffle. Jump. Jack. Woo! Kick it. Shuffle. Fast break and you got it. And right here. Now we get to take it down, just like I promised. Get a little sassy, okay? Ow! Yes, way to own it. Own your living room, own your space, own your body, own your workout. Now don't forget to click the video right here to get the second half of this. She's gonna pick up with the 90s, take you all the way to today. You can also click her name in the description of this video. Make sure and like and subscribe to her channel and mine. Whew. Man, I'm out of breath. Have an awesome day. See you next time. What's up guys, I'm Jamie and I'm back again to tell you about this product. It's called Built Boost. What is it? Basically, it's a way to flavor your water that's gonna give you 100% of all your daily vitamins. It's gonna give you an immune boost and an energy boost with 0 caffeine. It has 0 calories, 0 sugar, and tons of flavor. They have a bunch of different flavors to choose from. In my hand, I've got Cloud 9, Cool Breeze, and Red Ruby. Every flavor that I've had is delicious. It tastes just like a juice drink without all the sugar. If you haven't tried it yet, check the link in the description. Use the code TheStudio10 to get 10% off your entire order.